Experts from some 12 African and Sahel countries are meeting over water and land degradation on the continent. The three-day conference is focusing on best practices in natural resource management.
Major parts of the African continent are smartened under the effects of land degradation and deforestation. This is because the economies of most African countries depend heavily on soil, water and other natural resources. Current agricultural practices as well as poor land and water management are said to contribute largely to the decline in natural resources. While individual countries are enacting laws to resolve the issues, continentally, development partners are supporting initiatives to help in the fight. Two of such partners are the World Bank and the African Union.
The challenges that is facing the Horn of Africa, Southern Africa region, has shown that we need to do more. There is more to be done. A lot have been done, but we have seen that the climate change and desertification, the El Nino, and all these environmental and human factors are pushing the need for us to work more and more.
The Minister of Environment, Science and Technology, Professor Kwabena Frimpong Boateng, said sustainable land and water management projects in Ghana are yielding results.
Sustainable land and water management projects are yielding results in our country. Sustainable land and water management interventions cover 5,500 hectares in 118 communities, benefiting over 14,000 land users adopting SLM practices. The project is also promoting community resource management areas to sustainably manage our biological corridors with the communities.
The World Bank Country Director for Ghana, Mr. Henry Carrelli, said implementing sustainable agricultural and water management methods would improve the livelihood of the people as well as protect the environment.
There are ways and mechanisms for having a compatible mechanism for farming and a compatible mechanism for land management that will not lead to degradation. For example, we can have cocoa planting, which is through forest combined with forestry. So the shaded cocoa growing actually produces more cocoa than if you cut off the trees and plant cocoa alone. So this is just one example. There are other ways of sustainable land management. There are other ways of increasing forest cover so that every tree that is cut, you plant 3 more. So in this way, we are safeguarding the future of our continent and the future of Ghana as well.
Over the next 2 days, the forum will discuss ways of recovering degraded lands as well as commit to better mechanisms for managing their own resources.